Welcome back to my channel. In this session we will see how we can verify 2SK3548 power MOSFET. It is N-channel MOSFET, 900 volt, 10 ampere. VDS voltage are 900 volt. 1.08 ohm RDS on. This MOSFET is most commonly used in power supplies. This time this number is not available in the market. First we will see how we can test it and what is the equivalent. Set multimeter to diode mode. The left pin, that is pin number 1, gate pin, drain, source. We will place red lead at source pin and black lead at the gate. Touch to gate. Now check between these two pins. 0.5 volt drop, that is for this diode. We connected red lead at source pin, black lead at this pin, so we are checking this diode. And if we reverse the leads here, it is open circuit because this diode is reverse biased and this channel is off. Now place black lead at the source and touch red lead to the gate. Now the gate is charged. Now check between drain to source. We have low resistance between drain to source in this direction and in this direction. Same way we will touch again to the gate discharge. Check back here, it is 0.507. Now the diode is available. Red lead at drain, it is open. Just touching here, we will take low resistance between drain to source. Now we will discharge it again. Red lead at source, black lead at gate, and if we take continuity here, that time the internal channel is damaged. We need to replace that MOSFET. In this condition, it must provide 0.5 volt. So this MOSFET is good. Now, black lead to source, red lead to gate, touch here. If it is turning on here, that means the MOSFET is good. If it is not turning on, we need to replace MOSFET. I use 9N90. That is very nice replacement for this MOSFET. It is 9 ampere, 900 volt. Gate voltage and charge are same. The test is same. Just discharge it. Red lead at source, black lead at drain, 0.5 volt. Black lead at source, red lead to gate. It is turned on. Now touch black lead to the gate. Diode. Here it is open circuit. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.